Hi, today I will explain about the structures, how structure columns and how we can able to create the graphical column schedules. Okay, right. So first of all, I can go for to choose the elevations. Here I have two levels, so I can go to create the another level. Okay, so I can create the level. Right. So here I can go back to my structural plan level. Okay. First of all, I create one grids, so it's very easy to place our column. So I can go to create the grids first. So right. So I have to create the grid vertical and horizontal. So here also I can create the bubbles and I can make the name. Okay. So I create the columns. Sorry, I create the grids here. Okay. So here I can go back to take the measurement and make the value right. So I created. Now I can go to choose my columns. So I have to find out the concrete columns. So I can go to choose rectangular. So here I can create the name CL1 200 by 600. Okay. And here also I'll make it 200 by 600. Okay. After that, here I can go for the height to level 2, second level. So I can go to grid. Now I already placed my column, so you can go back to in the levels. You can go back to 3D. Okay. Can choose my columns. Finish. Now it's available. Now I will choose this one. I can go to extend this one up to third level. I can choose this one. I can extend this one to level 4. Okay, so when you go to choose in 3D, so you can find out this my columns available like this way. Okay, so this is one level, this is second level and third level. So now you can go to the schedules, you can go for the graphical schedules. Here you can find out how it will be applicable in the schedule. So I hope you understand this, how we can able to create the structural column and the graphical schedule Revit structure. Thank you so much.